What's going on, guys? Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm showing you guys my new skill saw, and this is the best skill saw that you can buy online. I got this way back 2017, and this is my first time to use. You see, it's still a cardboard, and I never tried to put the Diablo blade. It comes with the Diablo blade like this. You can buy this to Harbor Freight. I don't know how much it costs, but this is the best blade that you can get. This skill saw, it came with the Diablo blade, and that's my boy Tisoy. Hi, say hi.
Hi.
And the good thing with this skill saw that I got, it comes with this Diablo blades, 7 1/4 24 teeth blade, and this skill saw designed for wood, and it has a sidewinder. As you see, I'll show you guys. You see the logo at the back of this skill saw machine, circular saw. See the sidewinder. I never used this before. I am not a professional wood maker or carpenter. I'm just a DIY guy, and I have a new project that I need to make my own stand for my Harbor Freight tire changer. The nice thing with this skill saw, so it has all the magnesium constructions, reduces the user fatigue, and it adds the durability. And aside from that, the power dual field motor, and the best in class in torque, improves the productivity by increasing the speed of cut. And the circular saw is a 7 1/4 inch magnesium sidewinder made by Skill Saw, one of the best brand that you can get online. I get a Skill Saw before, but it didn't cut that good, and I got a money refund from Walmart, and I decided to step up the one that I got before. I bought it for, I believe I got it only for $30, but this one, it cost me more than $100. I got this, if I'm not mistaken, like 110 or either 100, closer to 100, not less than $100. I forgot. But still, I never use this. As you see, still has the it still has this wire, and I'm gonna use it right now. Adjusting adjusting the cut, you can adjust it to this side. As you see, there's a lever here that you can just push it up, and you can adjust this to the side. You can do like this. I'll show you guys. So by opening this, you are able to cut side. See, like this is, you are able to cut like this, like a side cut. See, you need to put it back if you want to cut a straight line. You can adjust also to this back. All you need to do, just push this up, and you can adjust this to the thick of the wood. You see, well, as you see, you are able to adjust your cut by adjusting this, the back. But I'm gonna cut only straight cut. Nathan, my boy holding my blade. Don't hold this one. This is a dangerous blade.
Okay.
This is very sharp. The Diablo blade, I can guarantee that this one, it cut straight cut, compared with the $30 skill saw that I used before. I forgot the name of that, but it's one of the cheapest you can buy from Walmart.com. And I decided to step up and buy this skill saw. And the nice thing with this, as what I said, it came with this Diablo blade. And now this is my project, a 2x4. I'm gonna cut this using my using this skill saw. Putting the blade, you need to use the open rinse. So I'm gonna use this adjustable rinse to open this up. To open this up, you need to press this to unlock that bolt. You need to press this down. Okay, and then while you are turning this clockwise, using the open rinse, turn it counterclockwise, you're able to open and get that bolt. So you already unlock this using that adjustable rinse. I'm sorry guys, but I don't have the tripod. I'm gonna remove this thing. Once I remove, I'm gonna put the Diablo blade. Okay, now remove this. So I already get this already remove this as well. So all you need to do is you need to put this thing, this blade. Inserting the blade, you need to press this all the way through while you're inserting the blade inside. Well, as you see my blade, it has a diamond knockout that you can knock this out by using a hammer and the chisel, or either you can use the long nose to knock out this diamond design. But as you see, my blade, my chainsaw, my skill saw, it has an inner washer that I can put. I don't need to remove that. I don't need to remove that. I can install it. Installing this, you're not gonna install like this, because you see the logo of the Diablo. All you need to do, just turn it, because as you see, the rotations going to counterclockwise, and you need to do like this, turn it over, and that's how you guys will install, because it cut like this. The blade will cut like this, not like that. Okay, so we need to do it like that, and we need to press this as well. After we press this, we need to push this out like this, and then we're gonna press this, and then we're gonna install the blade. So after I install it, I need to put this outer washer, and then I need to put this the blade bolt. So after I put it, I need to turn it clockwise. See, I'm turning it clockwise, and then after that, I'm gonna use this adjustable wrench, and then I'm gonna lock it. Locking this, you need to press the top. You need to hold it. You need to press it to this. Press it here. Hold it, and then you need to use the adjustable wrench, and that's how you guys will adjust it. Don't over tight this, so that's not gonna break the skill saw. Tighten this, you need to turn it clockwise. I snugly tied it using this adjustable wrench. Now I'm able to use this now. Make sure that you lock this one, and also you lock the top. I'm doing a press cut. Taking a video here. Well, I'm doing it by myself while I'm cutting this 2x4. perfect cut. So I'm just a newbie, and take a look at that. Okay. Again, this is a skill saw, the best brand that you can buy. I got this for I believe it's like $100 way back in 2019 or 18. I forgot. It's a long time ago, but this is my first time to use it. So I hope you guys keep watching my YouTube channel, and if you guys found my video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below. And don't forget to use like this. See, so I use this type of thing, the clip, so it's not gonna move around. So hope you guys keep watching my YouTube channel. Till next time, guys, if you guys found my video helpful, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment down below. I catch you guys later for my next video. Thanks for stopping by. May God bless you. Bye for now. God bless.